everyone. Today we're talking lighting, in particular the Aputure Amaran. This is one of the smaller pocket lights from Aputure, an LED setup, the AL-M9 I believe is the model number. So to start today, let's do the unboxing and see what we got. Nice sturdy boxing, that's how it comes. This is fresh off eBay, looking at about $79 for one of these delivered. Of course, everything comes with instructions. We don't read those, do we? Nah. Anyway, moving right along. Comes with a beautiful little pouch, clip onto your camera bag if you need to. Nice and sturdy, feels good quality. Zippers. Ooh, feel that stuff, that is beautiful. Gotta love a good pouch. Am I wrong? I'm not wrong. Okay, so the first thing before we get into the actual light, what comes with it, accessories? It comes with a micro USB charging cable. Does not come with a charger, you have to sort that yourself. Also it comes with hot shoe mount, clips in quite nicely. I'll show you a little bit on how to use that in a minute. What else we got? Come on, show me the goodies. Alright, we got the light. Comes with a detachable face to put on your diffusers. Inside we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 LED diodes. Now this light is super bright. Charging port, brightness control, and obviously the on-off switch. It also comes with a couple of films. Obviously your blue light just clips on. Obviously you can do it better than that. And obviously your tungsten just clips on again. Nice and quick to change. Super bright display. I always keep it on low to start with. You can see that. And goes up and up and up and up and up and up. I think there's 5 settings. Tungsten on, you're ready to go. Throw it straight into your mount, and there you go, straight onto your camera. Nice and sturdy, fantastic. A little bit about the battery life. It's said to have lasted over 20 hours. I've only used it for about 5 myself, and it seems to be going good and strong. You do get your battery status indicator up the top. Focus. And yeah, so that's the Aputure Amaran AL-M9. As you can see, it's not that big a light, but it punches it out. I'll show you some examples of how it was used. Okay, so this is how I use the Aputure Amaran. I put it on the 6D Mark II, and I get a hot shoe bracket to support all my accessories. Why I put the light up the top, up here, is it gets it away from the lens, which can throw a shadow over your subject, and keeps your hands free because it's on actually hot shoe. Pair it up with a Rode mic, you got your light monitor, and you got yourself a good little rig. View from the back. Now if the light is a little bit too bright on the subject, obviously you can turn it up and down. Nice and easy access up here. You can direction it, you can make it a backlit light. Plenty of things you can do with it. Limited only to your imagination. So the Canon 6D is a full frame camera, so it works quite remarkably in low light. I'll just give you as a demonstration of how different it looks with the Aputure light. Okay, so now I'll show you the same scene with the Aputure light turned on. And that's its lowest setting. It has 5 settings, remember, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you can see that all the noise is gone. So the camera is using a much lower ISO. So just to remember to change the films, simply click one off, film goes on, and it magnets back on. So let's check it out with the tungsten. Okay, so the lights are off. Turning on the light now. There we go. Quite a nice warm light with no noise. Okay, still on the same settings, but now with the blue film. And there you go. That's the Amaran AL-M9 from Aputure.